welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living, and welcome back to another laundry chats. For the last 2 weeks we've been talking about the cost of living crisis, the inadequate minimum wage increase, and we've also talked about the scary rental market currently. So today I thought it only right to share some helpful links and charities, ways that people who are really struggling can get help if they need it. Everything I mention in this video will be linked below. So first off, let's talk about the food bank. People are finding it hard to heat and eat, and if this is you, if you need to go to a food bank, either find one locally that's not means tested, either through your church or through some community pantry, or you can go to a trust food bank, which you need to be referred for a voucher. I think doctors, healthcare professionals, schools, they can refer you, so please ask if you need help to feed your family. If you are struggling with the cost of living increases because of debt, you can speak with StepChange. Go on to stepchange.org. They offer debt solutions and management advice, and they can even set up IVAs, individual voluntary arrangements, which is a formal debt solution and agreement between you and creditors. And yeah, it's worth checking out as it's free. StepChange is free. A charity who are very involved in the poorest communities and people on very low incomes is the Salvation Army. Check out salvationarmy.org.uk. The Salvation Army can also help with debt advice, shelter, food and employment in the poorest communities, and that's what they have been doing in the cost of living crisis. So please have a look at the Salvation Army's website. There is also something called the Healthy Start Voucher. A lot of people already know about this. It's means tested, but you can apply online if you're 10 weeks pregnant or more, or have a child under 4. There's different things for means tested, if you're on universal credit or if you're on child tax credit, to do with your take-home pay and whether you're entitled to this. And if you're eligible, you get vouchers to use in supermarkets for fruit, veg, milk or infant formula. So it's worth also checking that out if you're on certain benefits such as universal credit or child tax credits, for example. Some councils also do a local welfare allowance. Not all councils do this, and it's only for people on means tested benefits, so you need to find out if you're eligible. It's hardship help that's not usually cash but vouchers for things such as clothing, food, and in some cases things like furniture. It's for those who cannot afford basic essentials. So you can go onto your local council's website or inquire to see if they provide this and if you are eligible. And of course there's free school meals, which is also means tested. You can contact the council or go through the school about this. The school usually help you or send links out about this if you have a school age child. So please ask the school if you think that your child is eligible for free school meals. Currently infant age children, reception to year 2 get free school meals anyway, but if you have a child in year 3 or above, please check to see if you are eligible. So I hope some of those links are helpful to anybody who needs them. Please feel free to share this video if you think it will be useful for anybody that you know or any people in your community. And please feel free to share any links that you know of that might help people in the comments below. And like I said, I will link all the websites for these different organisations and charities below in the description box. As a frugal living channel, I am very aware that sometimes frugal living isn't enough. Sometimes there's just more money going out than coming in, and my little frugal tips just might not be enough, just like a drop in the ocean. So that's why I wanted to put this video out today. Remember, feel free to share this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.